Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Tanya from Mind, Body, and Soul Company. And today we're going to do a melt and pour tutorial using a goat's milk base. We're gonna make it with a honeycomb pattern and use vanilla for the scent and brown sugar and honey in the soap as well. So we're gonna get this base melted and be right back. Okay, now that we have our base melted, we're gonna let it cool slightly. This is about 10 ounces of soap base, and I just heated it up on 30-second intervals until it was completely melted. And I've got my mold here. I lined it with bubble wrap. We're gonna be doing 3 soaps, so just line the bottoms with bubble wrap. And while that's cooling, we're gonna go ahead and add in our brown sugar and our honey. You can find the full recipe details on my blog, mindbodyandsoulcompany.com. Okay, get that in there. We're gonna stir it up here. And just wanna stir it until it's completely incorporated, and you'll see it gives it, the brown sugar and honey give it kind of a creamy texture or look. You want to make sure you have it stirred in really well. Okay. And now that I have that stirred in, I'm going to go ahead and add my vanilla fragrance oil. This is actually a vanilla essential oil, so it'll discolor it a little bit as well. Get that all stirred in. Okay. Then I'm going to let that cool just another minute or so before we pour it in, and then I will be right back to pour it. All right, and we're back. I've let this cool, so now we're gonna go ahead and pour it into our molds. It doesn't have to be perfect as far as where the bubble wrap is. Honeycombs aren't perfect, so the soap doesn't have to have a perfect look either. We're just gonna pour those up to the top. And once we get this all poured in, we'll spray it with alcohol to pop any air bubbles. And this smells amazing in between the vanilla, the brown sugar, and the honey. All right, and then spray the top with alcohol. And that got rid of all of our air bubbles there. Then we're just gonna let this sit for a couple of hours to harden up, and then we'll pop it out of the mold. So we'll be back once it's hardened. Okay, and we're back to unmold. I've got the first couple done here. You'll see it's the nice kind of light brown tan color with the honeycombs. And then I saved one here for us to do. Go ahead and get it pulled out. You just peel back the bubble wrap. And if you had a little over pour, you can just, once you get it started, you'll be able to pull it off. Go. Our honeycomb goat's milk melt and pour soap. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.